Hi friends, this is Venkatesh Madini, Department of Commerce, University PG College, Palamur University. This is my YouTube channel, Venkatesh Com Techie. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and use bell icon for more updates. As we discussed in the previous video, in this video we are going to discuss about how to design e-certificate. Most of the people are waiting for designing e-certificate video. To design e-certificate video, we need to create a Gmail account and Gmail Google form. Already we created Google form and Gmail account in the previous videos. Now in this video we are going to present how to design the e-certificate. This e-certificate can be used for online quiz, some conferences and webinars and workshop. So now we are going to log into Google form account. For that we have to log into Google form. Yes, enter your email ID and password to log in into Google form. Okay, select Google form here for signing. Enter your Google account as you created. So next, enter your email ID and password. So that we can enter into our Gmail account. Already we created Google form in the previous video, that is demo. For that only we are creating certificate. We are attaching same Google form because we need not to create again Google form. So that I am attaching previous Google form account only, Google form only. So click here to open your Google form. I already said that is demo Google form. Yes, as we discussed in the previous class. Okay, every Gmail account is having default Google form and Google presentation, so that we can use same Gmail account to use your Google presentation. So open Google presentation in the Google form, Gmail, so that we can easily use Google presentation. But in some cases we can use Photoshop is also to create certificate, but in easy way we can generate a e-certificate in the Google presentation is also. Most of the people, they don't know how to prepare the e-certificate in the Photoshop, so that it is very easy way to use Google Slides. Google Slide is just like your PPT. I think most of the people know about how to prepare the PPT, as like we can prepare the PPT in Google presentation. Okay, this is Google presentation. Okay, now we have blank. Okay, if you click on blank, okay, you will get one slide. Okay, these are the some terms and conditions. We have to accept that. Okay, this is your slide like your PPT. Okay, so it is very easy to create a certificate. This is Google form. Okay, so just to type in Google certificate background. Okay, n number of backgrounds we have. You can select based on your requirement or your need. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Okay, just click right click. Okay, select copy image. Just to go to your slide and paste here. Control P. You can use Control P to paste. Okay, our background slide is came to. Okay, these are the some of the default backgrounds. You can choose among these anyone if you are interested. Or for these we don't have the borders. Some of the people are very interested to have the some borders. Okay, this is our copied slide background. Okay, just adjust according to our slide. Just drag that. Okay, yes, now this is the certificate background. Okay, send into background. Right click, background, send to background. Okay, see here, text is came front. Once again, send to background. Okay, this is the text. You can type what you want, either your college name, your department, or what is the title you want, any what you call body of the letter, body of the certificate, etc., etc. All the things you can write. Just I have some example model of certificate I already designed for your convenience purpose, because if we draw all the things, it will take more time. So that I already prepared one certificate. We can open that, and also see here you can insert logo, signature, all the things. Okay, this is already pre-drawn certificate. See here, this is RUSA logo. This is name, one day national webinar, anything, one quiz, etc., etc. Conference you can give, and the webinar title. Your webinar title should be like this, organized by name of the department, name of the college, address, etc., etc. If you have the any collaboration, you can write the collaboration. Okay, this is the heading of the certificate of participation. See here, this is the body of the letter. This is the signatures. You can paste the signatures here, Department of Commerce, etc., etc. Okay, you can copy the signature from any other source. You can paste here, and also this is the body of the letter is very important. Just we are copying from this slide to our demo slide. This is okay. We can paste here. We are pasting our body of the certificate. Okay, see here, this is very important. These three fields are very important, that is full name, other identifier, and other identifier 2. See here, very important, why I am saying this is free version we are using in Google Form. If you have paid version, that is basic amount, nearly below 1200, in that one we have 4 fields. If it is paid more than 1200, we have 5 fields. And also in the paid version, in the future free version, if you use default backgrounds, okay, we will get watermark as e-certify me. If you design your own, okay, you need not to get that watermark. Understood or not? Okay, so most of the people are interested their own customized certificate, so that we can give all the fields. Okay, we can insert the your college logos, signatures. Okay, anything you can want, you can paste as you wish, or as you design interested to design. Understand? And also most important, in free version only we have 3 fields. One is full name, second one is uh, other identifier, third one is other identifier 2. So that in other identifier we can give the that is department name, and other identifier 2 is your college name. Understand? Okay, so that is a very important. You can insert the logos, etc., etc. And also this is untitled presentation, so that what we are doing, we are giving some name, that is demo. We are giving the presentation name as demo. It is this presentation will save in the Google Slides. Okay, now we are going to Google Form to link with the Google Form with e-certificate. Okay, already we discussed in the previous. Okay, click on these 3 buttons, 3 dots. Okay, go to add-ons. Okay, if you add in add-ons, we can add the e-certificate. If you have the e-certificate, we can get this kind of icon. Okay, click on other icon, click on certify me. show certify me controls. Click on that. Okay, you will get this kind of dialog box. In that, okay, we can manage, we can control our certify me options. Already we discussed in the previous video, that is, okay, our certification is on. And also if you are conducting quiz, okay, see the percentage passing percentage. Okay, see here we can, if you are conducting quiz, we have to give the some percentage of marks to pass. That is, for example, 40%, 50%, etc., etc., based on your criteria. And also see here templates. In templates we have n number of templates, n number of models, I'm saying certificate models. See here, among that, what we are doing, we are customizing our own certificate, so that use a customizing certificate. Okay, if you click on that, you will get these dialog box. Okay, in that one, what we have to do, we have to select a new file. Okay, click on that. You will get your Google presentation form. Yes. Okay, this is already we designed in the Google presentation. This is one. Yes. Okay, it is automatically come to Google form. See here. Yes. Okay, click on that to select. Click on this Google demo certificate. Understood? Yes. Okay, select that. See here, this file is attached as demo. Okay, save the changes. After that, this, see here, golden will remove, demo will add. Yes. Are you getting or not? Okay, the certificate is linked with Google form. The certificate in actually in Google presentation, okay, it is linked with Google forms. Okay, if you issued to the public, okay, they will give the responses. Based on responses, okay, responses data, the Google form is automatically generated and sent to their respective mail IDs. And also per day we have only 100 mails limit. Why? Because of it is only free version. If we have paid version, okay, we have 1500 certificates can be delivered in a single day. If you conduct the quiz, okay, you have to give the percentage of marks, pass percentage of marks. Understood not? Okay, if you cross the limit of 100, okay, this status certification automatically turn off. Okay, in the next day what we have to do, we have to turn on. Understood not? Okay, this is very important in Google forms. Okay, we are linking with Google form with Google Slides. Okay, these are the some model of certificate. You can paste your company logo or college logo. Okay, and also your signatures and your designations as your seminar director, etc., etc. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. In the next video, we are going to discuss how to organize online quiz. Okay, so that please subscribe my channel, use bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much.